Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're here at the Luna's Welding School, and they invited us to come over, and then they're gonna try out the new TIG torch, the Snakebelly Tig torch. So stay tuned for the video. We're gonna be doing a 6G root on a 6-inch pipe. We're gonna be using a CTX, STX. I forgot the what's it called, the model of the Miller machine, but I'll keep you updated right now. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be using a 70S2 for the root, and we're gonna be running the root at 100 amps. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so we're here at the Luna's Welding School, and we got this student right here. He's about to do a root. Well, he's gonna do it with our TIG torch, Snakebelly. He's gonna explain us what we're gonna do right now. What are you working on, man?
On the 6G 6-inch pipe.
All right.
Yeah.
And then how much you put in a gap?
316.
3/16.
Yeah.
And then what kind of rod you using?
70S2.
All right, that's for a big man, bro. All right, go ahead, bro. He's about to tack it right now. He's gonna do 100 amps, you say?
Yeah.
He's gonna put it on 100 amps. Why you take that out, Mo?
I'm taking that because then, like, if I leave it in there and try to tack it, I'm not able to take it out anymore.
Okay, it's gonna get tight?
Yeah.
All right, got you. Take notes, guys. Are you freehanding the root?
Yes.
Yeah, he's gonna be freehanding the root. Alright, guys, so whenever you guys doing this, whenever you guys doing the root pass with the 70S2, man, that rod 70S2, it's a little bit difficult because it's a lot of dirty, but look at the movement he's making. Try to always follow, you know, like whenever you move in the tungsten side to side, make sure your rod is following the tungsten, and always back feeding it. What I mean by back feeding it, so the rod always has to be on the inside, at least on the smile of the pipe, which is from 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock and from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. After that, now there's another thing. If your gap is too wide open on top, if you're doing a 5G, I don't suggest you backfeed it, because then you're gonna have a big root on the, like, you know, like hanging root on the inside. So always keep that in mind. So whenever you have a big gap on top, just don't try to put the rod on top. Not on top, but you know, just don't put it on the inside. A little bit on, like, on the edges of the levels, and then you'll be good, because the gravity is gonna bring it down. He's using a 100 amps on the machine. Now he's using our TIG torch. The reason why he's using our TIG torch, so I don't know if you guys can see that the TIG torch has a purple neck. Okay, well, that's a silicone heat resistant piece that we added to the torch. Why? Because everybody has a problems whenever they're doing the root. Whenever you're doing the root, you have a lot of problems because the torch gets hot, right? So now with our new TIG torch from Snakebelly, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Why? Because you can do a 6, 10 inch, 12 inch free-handed, grabbing it by the neck, and you won't get burnt. Like, it's not gonna get hot. I promise you anything, it's not gonna get hot. So that's why we did it. Like I was telling you guys, I'm not the perfect person, I'm not the best welder out there, but I've been on the field. I know what you need, and this is one of the greatest things that we have made, to be honest. I think it's gonna be a really good hit for everyone, especially for the students. It's gonna be easier for you guys to put the root in, because and the main thing is that the root is one of the most important things, because whenever you go to a test, you have to do the root, and then you call the QC. Whenever you call the QC, they have to check out the root. Now there's a technique that these guys use, and it's really good, and we talk about it at the end of the video. Juan Luna, he's a good teacher, he's a good instructor, and he's been running this school for 3 years now. You're gonna say, why would you support another school if you had your own school? It's not that, it's that we're supposed to support your. Look at the technique right there. You see, so if it gets hot on the puddle and then you can't fit the rod, so what you do, you back out the puddle, go back to the wherever you have meat, wherever you have well, and then reposition your hand with the rod and then go back and refeed it. That way you don't have to worry about anything. Yes guys, so these guys has a good technique. Like I was telling you guys, we have to support each other. It doesn't matter if we're on the same business, we run the same business, different companies, whatever. I think we have to support each other instead of being against each other. So yeah. Bueno chavos, les estaba diciendo a todos de que este pedo no es difícil. La estamos corriendo a 100, pero siempre asegúrense, así como ahí está corriendo el tosteno con la varilla, que si el tosteno se va para la izquierda, la varilla también. O sea, sigan la varilla, que la varilla siga el tosteno para que siga quemando y síganse moviendo para arriba. Si miras que estás haciendo un quijo, estás haciendo un agujerito, bájale poquito, eso quiere decir que estás muy caliente. La varilla siempre debe llegar por adentro para que vayas penetrando bien, para que no te vaya a quedar así como plano. Entonces un poquito más adentro mejor, siempre que vaya adentro. Obviamente si tienes el gap perfecto, que viene siendo el 532, 316, si tienes un gap más abierto, no la lleves mucho por adentro. ¿Por qué? Lo que va a pasar es que te va a quedar el root, la raíz te va a quedar muy gruesa. Entonces no quieres que eso pase. Hay un truco que estos chavos estaban metiendo que a mí me gustó bastante, la mera verdad. Si no sabes controlar tu varilla, alimentarla, vamos a decirlo así, ahí hace un truco este muchacho donde se acaba la varilla porque ya no puede mover la mano, y lo que hace, se mueve para atrás el chavo hacia la carne, o sea, hacia donde está más el root, y luego reposiciona su mano, o sea, agarra la varilla mejor otra vez y luego ya la va acomodando poco a poco. No se desesperen si ven que se les está cayendo algo. Párale mejor, deja que se enfríe poquito y sigue tu camino, o bájale. Recuérdense, hay dos reglas. Si vas muy caliente, tienes que ir más rápido. Si estás muy caliente y no lo puedes controlar, tienes que bajarle. Entonces siempre mantengan eso en mente, así para que no se les cuelgue y no estén batallando. Se te está pegando mucho, estás batallando mucho en derretir, eso quiere decir que está muy fría. Entonces pongan atención en esas cosas, para que pues, se les pueda facilitar. La razón que estamos usando, que hicimos este video, fue por la torcha. Regularmente esa Hilliard Torch que tiene el chavo ahorita es de nosotros, que es de Snakebelly. Regularmente en cualquier torcha de cualquier marca que pongas, para cuando llegues a mero arriba, la torcha, el cuello se le pone bien caliente. ¿Qué es lo que pasa? Uno batalla. ¿Por qué? Porque se está calentando y estás batallando mucho, ¿verdad? Entonces lo que pasa es de que siempre la mayoría de la gente tiene problemas en el root, especialmente los estudiantes o los que están en los colegios, los que están en las escuelas, que están aprendiendo. ¿Por qué? Porque la quieren agarrar del cuello, y eso no es malo. Yo también la agarro del cuello, pero pues obviamente ya tengo más experiencia. Ahora hicimos esta torcha y le pusimos eso en medio para que ellos pudieran, en el cuello es un pedazo de silicón extra que es resistente al calor, para que puedas usarlo sin problemas. La puedes cerrar, le puedes poner el root, le puedes poner el paso caliente, le puedes poner la vista, y como quiera la torcha no se calienta. Ahí es donde les dije, si miran cómo que se movió para atrás. Bueno, y otra vez ya reposicionó su mano y eso. Bueno, volviendo a lo de la torcha. Con esta torcha que hicimos es para facilitárselas a todos, para que no batallen. ¿Por qué? Porque yo entiendo que a veces cuando estás haciendo freehand o lo estás haciendo hacia mano y la agarras del cuello, batallas mucho y se te calienta la mano. Entonces se te calienta el cuello y empiezas a quemarte. Pero por eso es que hicimos este video. Entonces esta torcha todavía no sale a la venta. Ya pronto va a estar. La tendremos en la página de internet de artshop.com. Y ahí la podrás conseguir. Cuando salga, esténse atentos porque ya tenemos órdenes. Entonces ahorita están en producción masiva y esperemos que pronto salga a la tienda. No se les olvide, también tenemos los welding lenses de Snakebelly, los tungsten holders de stainless steel por $18. Cualquier cosa, manden un mensaje. Espero que les haya ayudado este video y los videos que hemos estado haciendo. Ahí está el root, chavos. Espero que les haya gustado y nos vemos ahí pronto. Échenle ganas, no se me echen para atrás. Todo para adelante y nada para atrás. El sol sale para todos. Alright guys, so there you have it. Thanks for inviting us, Luna, over. Yes, sir. And he's gonna tell you about what he's got going on with the school, schedules, and if you ever need anything, just give him a call, send him a message. But I'll let him tell you all about it.
Yeah, man, we got quite a few students. We've been doing it for 3 years now, almost 3 years. So I learned a lot of technique with this guy. So we got this guy. He started with 70S6, and now with 9 days he moved. After 6 days, he moved forward to 70S2. So he's building confidence with 70S2 wires, and that's just the way to go, man. You need to learn how to weld with 70S2 because a lot of welders hate it. We all hate it, but we all gotta learn how to do it. And you gotta you gotta trust that. You gotta build trust with that wire. If not, you're gonna be scared of that wire. It's not gonna help you a lot. It's not gonna help you in your career. And we also do 60-10, 70-18, 60-10. You gotta learn 60-10. If you don't know how to learn 60-10, you're halfway there. 60-10, man, they don't require a lot, but as a welder, you need to know how to do it. Just in case you come across a job that you need to know how to do it, you already know it. You're not gonna be scared or reject that job just because you don't know how to do 60-10. So we got a little bit of everything here going on. We have class Monday to Thursdays on nights, 6-10, Saturday and Sundays in the morning, 9 to 1. We're limited to spot. I'm limited to spots, but it is what it is. I dedicate more time to them. So
one thing that I always said is that my advice from me to you guys, he just said something that I always make it I always try to make a point out of it. Whenever he said that he's limited on spots, my advice to you guys is like, if you go to any school or any institution or wherever you go where you see more than 20, 30 people, it's gonna be hard for you to learn because there's so many students that the instructors maybe they're not bad, the school's not bad. The thing is that there's so many students that the instructor is going to be hard for them to get to you because he's going to be taking care of some other people. It's going to take longer for him to get to you. So always keep that in mind. He might be small, he might have limited quantity of students, but I guarantee you that you will learn more here than any other place, to be honest. Now, like I said, you always learn something new. Today I learned something new with this guys. Like I said, I don't use it. It never crossed my mind because I never go through that. But when I saw it right now, I'm like, man, you know what? I'll apply it to my students because hey, you always learn something new. Can you tell them about the trick, bro?
Yeah, definitely. Whenever you learn how to weld TIG, this guy, to avoid stopping constantly, and if you don't know how to feed wire, obviously you guys, they won't learn how to feed wire, with their fingers. So the best advice I could give you guys is give yourself plenty of wire when you're doing the root or anything or whatever. So whenever you run, get yourself plenty of wire so you obviously could keep going on your root or whatever or your fillers. Whenever you run out of wire, back up that tungsten about a 1/4 inch away from the puddle. Instantly get some more wire so you keep going. Less stopping and more welding, and you're gonna be able to finish a 6-inch in 3 to 4 hours. You don't waste time and you stay under the hood, and that's what you want to do. You want to be productive and stay ahead. That's what everybody wants in the field. So it's gonna help him out whenever he gets out to the field. He's not gonna look like a rookie, and he's not gonna be the sharpest, but he's gonna be looking good, definitely.
Yeah, that's good. Man, like I said, you always learn something new. Today I was just like that, and man, I'm really impressed. I know he's not the only technique that he has. Like I said, I was here all day, and I was just listening to them. I was just watching everything, and he has a lot of techniques. So like I said, if you ever interested in coming over here, just send him a message. Juan Luna on Facebook, right? Can you give him a phone number?
Yeah, 832-581-8467.
Alright, you guys heard, you If you missed it, just rewind it a little bit and you'll be able to see it and you'll be able to hear it again. Stay tuned for next videos, guys, and thanks for inviting me over, man.